you yacht, cook, or other cruise to Embark 1505, social security Italian is very important if you want to have security, stability, long-term, the pension, the unemployment, and all the social benefits, sanitary assistance for the family, for you, the medical insurance, the accident insurance, and the rights of these Italian social security. After 2 years, comparing to yacht, you would be employed directly by the ship owner long term, so this is a huge security for you and for your family. Now, we don't need English language, and it is very important to have this basic Italian language. If you are a ship cook, here you would be getting 2,800 euros for the cargo ships, Italian flag. These ships are 37,000 tons. So if you feel that you would like to have a bigger ship with huge possibilities of promotion, because we're talking about 77, 22 Roro and 55 passenger ships. A cook gets 2,800, but then within the company you can promote and really go to the different passenger ships later on. So it's a huge opportunity for you to get stability. After 2 years, you will be employed directly by the ship owner. So please like and subscribe, pass through all the different groups you have of WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and so on, because it's a great opportunity for stability long term. It's a huge ship owner. You have the Wi-Fi, you have bigger cabins, bigger ships, Mediterranean trade, and very close to your home in Europe. And so, like, subscribe. Thank you very much indeed for your time. I hope we get like 200 cooks from yacht today. Later, if you move towards the passenger ships, it's a huge possibility of promotion, and it's more wages and so on. It's a bigger 67,000 tons for your career, and not like cruise or yacht. Here is with Italian social security, an Italian collective bargaining agreement, 160 pages. Thank you very much indeed. Bye.